The kidneys perform several vital functions in the body, the most important of which include filtering the blood from toxins and eliminating waste through urine. However, some unhealthy dietary habits can lead to toxin accumulation in the body, which puts an extra burden on the kidneys. Proper hydration and regular kidney and liver detox are essential for maintaining optimal function of these vital organs. And there are a number of herbs such as parsley that can prevent kidney disease, formation of kidney stones, and toxin accumulation in your body. How can parsley help your kidneys? Parsley is abundant in vitamins including K, A, C, folate, and essential minerals such as iron, all of which kidney function depends on. According to holistic medicine, parsley is extremely efficient in treating kidney stones. For one thing, parsley tea increases urine production and flow, which may drive out kidney stones. Moreover, this recipe also prevents the absorption of salt into kidney tissue, which also inhibits formation of kidney stones. Ingredients: 1 bunch of fresh organic parsley leaves, 8 cups of filtered water, 2 tablespoons of raw organic honey, freshly squeezed juice of half lemon. Instructions: start by washing the parsley well, then chop in large pieces. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat. When it boils, add the parsley and reduce heat. Simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and let cool. Add lemon juice and honey to taste. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day. If you're making larger amounts of the recipe, refrigerate and drink within a week. In case you're suffering from kidney disease, consult a medical practitioner before taking the tea. It's also important to know that parsley tea is not recommended to pregnant women because it can induce menstruation and abortion.